So anyway, I got a new keyboard. This is my old keyboard. This one, the CM Storm Quickfire Pro that I bought in 2012. So it's now almost 10 years old. This is the Ducky Shine that I got from my friend Joseph. And this is, as you can see, it doesn't have keycaps right now. Let me explain. So, this was my old regular keyboard. And I spilled soup on it. I bought beef noodles from the Old Street Noodle House. Very good noodles. The problem was, if you take out, they just put it in a plastic bag, the soup. And so it's kind of awkward to open. I tried to open it. It didn't work. So I cut, but it spilled forward. I was doing it here because I wanted to be convenient. And the soup spilled onto the keyboard. Oh no. And it started wonking out, of course, because, you know, I'm stupid. So I had to unplug the keyboard and... Okay, I got most of the soup out. I unscrewed everything and wiped everything down. And now it still was wonking out. So I thought of something. I took a hairdryer and I blasted it. The problem was I put it on there for too long. And these are ABS keycaps. Guess what happened? They melted. I don't have extra keycaps right now. I could buy PBT keycaps to replace them. This is too big. You know what? Even though I like the numpad, this is too big. I need more space for my mouse hand, for everything else. And I've always wanted a Bluetooth keyboard anyway. So it's time. Anyway, I'm gonna put it that way, and here it is. It's from Laptop Sensei. This is a Keychron K2 version 2. It was a 5K with GATERON brown switches because I like it tactile. I'm also going to be able to find out for myself if GATERON browns are better than cherry browns. You know, I like my tactile, and it's hot swap. So if I want to change the switches, I can. Let's take out the knife over here. Very good knife, very good letter opener for trying to kill rats, because you can throw it like a spear, like a javelin. And yes, I've tried that before. No, I did not kill the rat. I missed. I'm supposed to be able to read this. This is blue. This is yeah. Oh, Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth. Lan ya. I guess that's keyboard. Oh yeah. I feel the magic already. I got this, and also with aluminum. It's aluminum body. Yes. I feel the quality already. I got the V2 because I knew the V1 was gonna be bad for my wrists. Because the wrist height for that is a little too high for my taste. So, oh yeah, this feels really good. Now, I'm gonna have to change a lot of my habits because I tend to use the enter on my numpad, and I hit it with my thumb of my mouse hand. When I want to hit enter, I just go like that. My thumb goes there. I use the numpad a lot. But I'm gonna have to say goodbye because I need desk space. And also, I gotta be able to, you know, put the keyboard aside whenever, well, I'm doing stuff like this, you know. Sure, I can, with this keyboard, I can just put it aside. But, you know, just like when I was eating noodles here on this table while watching a YouTube video. And then I spilled soup on my ducky. You know, my poor old ducky. Oh, well. By the way, using this again, the difference between the cherry browns and the cherry blues. Once I put O-rings in the keycaps here, I actually like the feel of the cherry blues better. So yeah, here it is. What accessories do we have? Okay, here's the keycap puller. So I'm gonna need this. Yeah, the keycap puller. I'm gonna need that. I'll also need this. It's Type-C. It's Type-C keyboard cable. I'm gonna need that. Manual. So manual. I can only read some of this. My Chinese is not perfect. So it's 4,000 milliamp hour. Okay, Windows, Android, or Mac. I don't have a Mac, so it stays there. Okay, so cable off. And Bluetooth mode, right? Here's the super simple keycap puller. Look at this. It's very rudimentary. And extra keycaps. This is for... Alright, I will change this because I'm not a Mac user. Alright, and Windows key. I'm gonna remove this ancient Quickfire Pro. It still has a place of honor. Ew, look at the pretty lights. How do you change the... Well, that's white. That's what I want. Alrighty, fine. And I can actually... Wait a minute. Boop. Yeah. I can show my keyboard as well. It's not bad. Hey. I'm already liking the feel of it. And these keycaps feel nice. I am going to... Look at this. All this space. Oh my god. How I've known you all my life. All this... Oh man. Look at that. I can put my mouse over here. I could put my water over here. I could put my phone over here. I put all my other stuff over here. This is great. I'm gonna have to get a Bluetooth dongle, but you know, all this desk space. Ask for it. But how droll, how droll. But now I see why people like coiled cables. Anyway, I'm just gonna put the ugly old cable tie here. And there we go. For now, that's fine. Let's test this with Doom Eternal. Let's go. Alright, let's see if I can still remember how to do this.
Dr. Hayden is just across the complex.
Yeah. It's alright, it's alright. It feels good. I don't feel like I need to replace the keycaps. This feels alright. Alright. I think that answers my question. This is good. This is good. Just look at this. Look at this. I'm just looking at all these lighting options. Maybe I should get pudding keycaps. Awesome. I think that's it. This is my end game. For now. When you say end game keyboard, it never really ends. I know that. Alright, so far, this keyboard, as you can see, no more cable! How about a Bluetooth dongle? Dongle is right there. There it is. It's a TP-Link. It cost me 400, and it's doing quite nicely. It's they say the battery is going to last for like a week before need a recharge. Well, we'll see about that. But right now, it's great. Now it's time to unbox the new mouse. So it's the Tecware EXO L Plus. This was a kind of a recommendation. 69 grams. Nice. We're gonna see what's what. It's not wireless, because I did not want a wireless mouse. I already have a wireless keyboard. Do I have to, you know, deal with a wireless mouse? Come on, man. Come on. Also, a wireless mouse would cost me like 3,000. No, this is like 850. But before that, let's take a look at my old mouse. This is the Rack Ulti. 350 pesos. I would recommend this. If you just need a goddamn mouse, get this for cheap. Just one note, you gotta unscrew this, open it up, and take out this thing. This is inside there. You take this out, and you remove like 15-20 grams. It has a lead weight in it. Why? I don't know. I guess they want, you know, a more solid, secure feel. Fuck that. You're gonna play Valorant with this thing, most likely. Now I'm going to replace it with another mouse. We're going to unbox this thing. And yes, with the Keychron K2, now totally wireless, I can do this. That's right. I can set it aside and focus all my energy on the subject at hand. Yes! This is amazing. Let's read this first. Customizable RGB, that's good. Unlike this thing, 1000 ultra polling rate. Good! 60 IPS tracking, 20G acceleration. I don't know what the hell that means. 6 fully programmable buttons. Okay, so kind of like, I don't know, this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's like this. It's like this too. Huano switches. I've heard of Huano switches. Hopefully they're good switches. Because Logitech, they still use the old Omron switches, and yet they're using like a different voltage or something. I don't know, but that actually shortens the lifespan of the micro switches. Depends on the manufacturing run. I don't know. It's weird. I've gone through 2 Logitech mice. So RGB, multiple modes, macro support via software. Great. I have to install software. Aero cord lightweight. Okay. Gold-plated USB connector. Whatever the hell that means. It looks like in a gold color. That's it. Anyway, let's open this up. Ooh. This is nice cable. Like, it's soft. Good. Because I am sick and tired of these. Super hard, stiff, won't budge cable. Alright, so here's the mouse. That's it. No big manual. Because why do you need a manual for a mouse? At this point, if you don't know how a mouse works, you also might not know how simple tools work. It must be raised by wolves in the jungle. They have no table manners. You don't even know how to use a fork or a spoon. You're afraid of fire. Like, you still think dinosaurs exist? Remember back when the Flintstones seemed like a sensible idea? Humans coexisted with dinosaurs, sure. And also, people were already smoking cigarettes back then. Do you know of the Flintstones Winston commercial?
Let's take a Winston break. That's it! Winston is the one filter cigarette that delivers flavor 20 times a pack. Winston's got that filter blend. Yeah, Fred.
I still watch that every now and then just to see how far we've come with our understanding of both the human body and marketing and, you know, just the tone of advertisements. Anyway, here it is. I bought white. I wanted white because I wanted colors that contrast against, you know, the blackness of my setup here. That's why I love my internal components on my computer. They're white. Oh, this is so much lighter. Because this is feels like it weighs a ton by comparison. Although this is a little higher, and I like the sides of this a little bit better. It has more contour. So I'm gonna have to get used to this one. Whoa, look at this. And I have my mouse over here. Ah, this is so great. Yeah, look for the software. Alright, left click, right click, middle click, forward click. Oh, so you can reprogram this so you could use it left-handed if you want to. 7 LED loop. This is 7. Alright. Whoa. And that's off. Breathing. Yeah, rotate between colors. DPI, breathing effect, light on. Just light on. Alright, here we go. There it is. It's just on. Can I change the color? You do have adjustability. Oh, the polling rate makes it a lot smoother. Okay. 1400. Oh, that feels good. That feels good. Alright. It's just a short stream. Just testing this new mouse. Getting some good results thus far. Now we're going to play along with my wireless keyboard. This is great. Let's go. Alright, going down. I'm good. I'm satisfied. This is great. My score for the Keychron K2 is an 8 out of 10. It's pretty expensive, and these 2 keycaps could have been great if not for them putting through too much of the north-facing LEDs, which only lights up half the keycap. But you know what? Fuck it. That's a minor gripe. Other than that, it's pretty great. Could have come with a coiled cable, but that may be asking for too much. It's great. I love it. When I woke up and saw this keyboard, I was jazzed. I wanted to write right then and there. This mouse is a 9 out of 10. I'm already pleased. I like the cable. I like the look. I like the white. I like the layout of the buttons. Already feels nice. It's much lighter. I like the additional LEDs over my old mouse, and yeah, it's just great. It's good value for money at around 850 pesos. Boom. Like, not even 1,000, and it's already much better. Yeah, that's all for now. Till next time, stay Tor.